Good afternoon, everyone. I once again been caught, or rather cornered is a better word, by the art department and Mr. Banerjee to make the announcement, the formal and final announcement of the prizes for the competition that they organized. It's called the Bouquet de Creativité 2020, and of course it's been online because of the times we are in. I thought I'll escape and not have to make announcements this year, but well, I've used the word before, I've been cornered. Let me thank all the schools that participated. There were 18 of you who took part. Thank you so much. The 19th was, of course, Weinbergallen, the host, who participated, but as always, did not compete for prizes. So to each and every one of the 18 schools, a big thank you that you took the trouble. And I've only got one condition. I've got a little bit of a warning before we send your prizes to you, that it's okay to win the prizes online, but you must firmly promise to come and visit Weinbergallen when schools open and take part again and brighten our lives and our days for us. So a big thank you to Woodstock School, Mussoorie, the Lawrence School, Sanaur, Maharana Mewar Public School, Udaipur, Carmen School, Dehradun, Welham Girls School, Dehradun, the Doon School, Dehradun, Pine Grove School, Solan, HPS Begumpet, Hyderabad, Brightland School, Dehradun, Shanti Asiatic School, Ahmedabad, Oak Grove School, Mussoorie, Hopetown Girls, Dehradun, Bombay Scottish, Mumbai, Tunsbridge School, Dehradun, the Scindia School, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, Mussoorie International, Mussoorie, the Emerald Heights, Indore, Sanatan Dharm School, Mussoorie, and of course the last one, the hosts, Weinbergallen. Once again, a big thank you, and we really do appreciate you taking the trouble and taking part in this competition. And without further ado, the final results. The first event was called Experiment with Fiddling. Participants were to doodle with whatever materials available to them and no going outside. The topic was lockdown, and in first position we have Mania Goyal of Welham Girls School, Dehradun. In second position, Niranjana Chandran of Shanti Asiatic School, Ahmedabad, and there's a special mention for Achintya Goyal of Brightland School, Dehradun. The second event was called the Taste Test, and in this, participants had to learn one recipe, a cooking recipe, and do the same physically during this lockdown period. So the topic was anything I learned during this lockdown period. And in first place, Jap Sahib Singh Ahuja of Pine Grove School, Solan. And in second place, Moksha Menon of Shanti Asiatic School, Ahmedabad. Special mention, Varisha of Oak Grove School, Mussoorie. The third event was called Spiffy Styling, and participants were to wear an Indian or Western attire and mix and match whatever was available. In first place, Sanobar of Oak Grove School. In second place, Harshita Verma of the Lawrence School, Sanaur. And there's a tie, so Harshita Verma and Ahana Singh of Pine Grove School, Solan. The fourth event was Improvised Beauty, where the students were to create a small 3D assemblage of or sculpture with any discarded materials they could avail of in their households. In first place was Jia Thosar of Shanti Asiatic School, Ahmedabad, and second, Harbani Kaur of Emerald Heights, Indore. And there's a special mention for Griti Agarwal of Hopetown School, Dehradun. The fifth event, Hilarious Mag, and the participants were to create a comic strip, a minimum of 6 blocks, and the topic was, well, not a very nice one, but it's a present one, Corona. And in first place we have Vedanshi Kayal of Hopetown Girls, and in second place Samarth Kansal of Pine Grove School, Solan. And there's a special mention for Roxanne Crasta of Bombay Scottish, Mumbai. The sixth event, In the Limelight. Participants were to mono act on the theme, face to face with the coronavirus. Now the virus is not going away, I can see even here. In first place, Yuvraj Singh of Pine Grove School, Solan. And in second place, Shri Tejas Verma of HPS Begumpet, Hyderabad. And there's a special mention for the Hopetown School girls over here. I don't have their names, but there's a special mention. I'm sure you'll get a certificate and a prize or whatever for that. The seventh event was called Fliporama, and participants were to create an age-old visual delicacy of a flip book on, yet again, Corona I've got here. So in first place, Shreya Gupta of Vellum Girls School. In second place, Rajeshwari of Shanti Asiatic School, Ahmedabad. And there's a special mention for Hardik Jhawar of Emerald Heights School. So those are the individual winners, and congratulations to each and every one of you. And more than the fact that you did so well and won prizes, once again, thank you so much for the trouble and being part of Weinberg Allen, even online. And remember my threat, you do need to come back here when possible and actually participate in one of our events. The overall prize winners, this is school-wise, and okay, I'll go through the first few, or maybe all if I'm needed to. In first position, with 10 points, the winners of the entire competition is Pine Grove School, Solan, and like I said, they've got 10 points. In second position is Shanti Asiatic School, Ahmedabad, just behind Pine Grove with 9 points. Vellum Girls is in third position with 6 points. Hopetown Girls is next with 5, followed by Oak Grove with 4, Emerald Heights with 3, Lawrence School with 2, HPS Begumpet with 2, Sanatan Dharam Mussoorie with 2, and Bombay Scottish with 1. So congratulations to all the winners, and once again special congratulations to Pine Grove. Very well done for being the champions for this first ever online competition. So congratulations and thank you all. And let me end by thanking the people who made it possible. I'm seeing this for the first time, but a big thank you to Mr. Banerjee, Mr. Joydeep Banerjee, standing in front of me and filming me and making me feel extremely uncomfortable. But thank you, Mr. Banerjee, and the girls and the boys behind it. Thank you, Akriti, Chahat, Gul. Thank you, Himanshi. You did the certificates. I've seen them because I had to sign them. They were absolutely outstanding. Thank you for the video compilation, Himanshi. Thank you, Nathan. You finally worked. Must be the first time that you're working, but so well done. Thank you, Uday and Serena and all the other art students who organized this competition and worked so hard. Thank you all so much. God bless you all. And hopefully we'll see you all soon. And maybe some of you can come back to Weinberg Allen for some other competition. Of course, depending on your classes. Thank you.